If you want to perform a hard reset while recovery mode and wipe all data on your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, don't forget to make all the backups because as I already said, all of your data are going to be wiped. Now, at the first move, let's turn off our phone with any comfortable way. Great, it's off. Now, let's grab it and let's locate the buttons. This is volume down button, this is volume up button, and this is our power button. So first we need our volume down and power button. Hold them until you will get into your fast boost. So you can navigate through it using your volume down and up and make choices by pressing the power button. Now choose your recovery mode, press power button. Now you'll see your no command screen. Great. So in our no command screen, we are to hold our power button and our volume up button. Great, here we are. Now we're in our recovery mode. In your recovery mode, you are to navigate with your volume down and up button and make choices with power button. So now choose your wipe data / factory reset, power button, factory data reset, power button, and give it some time to perform a wipe. Basically, that's it. Now you can press turn off or reboot system now, but basically you're done. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to back up your data and please consider subscribing to our channel.